Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Sophia and Mabelle The Stack Eyeshadow Duo that I got in Berry Spritz as part of my December 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag. And this is a full-size product that retails for $20, so I'm pretty excited that I got this in my just regular Ipsy Glam Bag, where usually I get tiny sample size products. And so I have my unbagging video of that up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But so this is cruelty-free, and I really like the packaging on this, of course, because it's pink, but it's this very compact 2-in-1 here. So we've got a metallic and a matte. You know, while I'm here on the metallic, I'm going to start out with some swatches. Ooh, very pretty. Some good pigment there. And then this matte shade, which, ooh, these do look really nice together. They're a little bit more pink than my preferred type of eyeshadow shades, just because I don't like to wear pinks and orange that much on my eyes, mainly because I already have such pink tones in my eyelids that I don't like it to look like my eyes are just extra irritated. And that's kind of like a weird personal preference that I have for eyeshadow shades, but we'll see how these look on the eye. I'm also going to go ahead and test these out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So I have here my go-to Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and I like to test my eyeshadows out with and without a primer. So I'm just going to apply this all over one of my eyelids and just blend this out. And so I definitely can do a full look with just these two shades. So first I'm going to start out, I should use the brush set that I got in my BoxyCharm premium box, the Complex Culture eyeshadow eye trio brush. So first I'm going to go ahead and use the all over shadow brush as my crease brush, pick up some of the matte shade, and this, by the way, Complex Culture Easy Eyes Trio was part of my December 2022 BoxyCharm Premium box, which I also have up here on my YouTube channel. But okay, I'm just going to start applying the matte shade right into the crease here to start building up some dimension. Ooh, this is actually a really nice crease shade. It's a little bit more, looks more like a bronzer now that I'm applying it on my eye than it looked in the swatch in the pan. It was looking a little bit more rosy here in the packaging, but on my eye it's not looking too pink. It really does look like a warm tone, more like orangey bronzer, which is actually doing a nice job of creating some contour dimension to the eye. So even I could just wear this alone, just to give a little dimension to the eye, a nice subtle look, but it's also a great start to almost any eyeshadow look that I feel like I do. This is such an essential shade for me. I'm trying to build it up. I feel like I got a little bit more pigment, a little bit more color payoff here on the eye with the primer versus without it. Without it, I feel like it's just kind of disappearing into my skin as I'm trying to build it up. Yeah, I've applied 3 layers, picking up a lot on the brush. This is my 4th time picking up product on the brush, and it's really struggling to build up and show up on the eye, but I did not have that much of a struggle with the primer. So this is definitely the type of eyeshadow formula that I recommend using a primer with, because it's making a big difference in how vibrant the colors are showing up. I guess I was gonna see if maybe I should use this shade anymore, but since it's really hard to build up and get it to do much on the eyelid, I think this is where I'm going to stop, and I'm going to switch over to the metallic and apply that all over the lid. I think that will be a nice look. And with metallics, I like to apply them with my finger. So let's see how this is. Yeah, this shows up a little bit more like raspberry red than I was expecting. It looks a little bit more like plum purple in the pan here, but when you actually apply it, it looks more pink than purple. So this is pretty, but I'm not loving it. The metallic finish is a little dull. The pigment, I mean, it's pretty full color, but it's not, you know, it's not really popping. It's not really that impressive. The two shades, like, they look okay together, but yeah, you see how I just feel like it doesn't look like a very flattering color combination on me. So yeah, kind of bummed about that. See how it is on the eye without the primer. Usually when I apply with my finger, it's not too noticeable of a difference. Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's looking the same as I'm applying it on this eye without the primer as it looked with the primer, because when I apply with my finger, that's how I get the most pigment payoff. Like, I like this color combination, but I feel like I would like it on other people more than I like it on myself. It's a really pretty, like, sparkly pink, and I love a sparkly pink, but gosh, does it look so different on the eye than it looks in the pan here. And I don't like when eyeshadows are deceiving like that, when they look so different when you apply them than they actually look in the pan. I will say this Complex Culture brush was really nice, worked great, but this eyeshadow duo, it did not work great. It worked okay, but neither of these shades is a shade that I think I'm gonna really get use out of. So I'm kind of bummed that this is not a product that I love, and I am shocked that this is $20. Like, I do not think that this is worth $20 from the quality, the size, the shades. Like, I am not very impressed. But hey, if you've tried this out, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.